بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Okay, so let's see one more question based on some scenario here. Now, in this scenario, the question says that there was a connectivity on the switch 1 F0/9 interface, which means this interface got disconnected. There is some problem, and what will be the effect of this being connected? Means if this cable goes down, then what are the possibilities, or out of these four options, which option is going to be the correct answer? Now again, here we need to figure out the wrong answers in this kind of questions, because again, to find the correct answer, basically we'll go with the 1A. The host B will not be able to access the VLAN 9 until the cable is reconnected, which means this host will not be able to access. That's what the option A says. Let's see, is it correct? Because in order to access this, they are in different VLANs. Normally the traffic will go to the router, and we already have another path here. From here it will reach the router, and from there it will go back to the this way. So which means first one is not the correct answer, because this is not the only link which is connecting between the switch 1 and switch 3, right? If this is only one link, then probably you can worry about this. Okay, let's say if this two link fails, then there might be a problem, right? Because basically it goes to switch 1, and from switch 1 there is no path to reach the router, so basically it will not reach here. But that's not the case. This interface still makes sure that the traffic will go to this one. So first one is not the correct answer. And the second thing is, like, communication between the VLAN 3 and other VLANs will be disabled. So why it is disabled? Because still they can access to other VLANs, because we already have alternate connection or alternate paths. So this is not even the correct answer. And the transfer between the host B and the VLAN 9 will become slower. So it doesn't go slow, because if you see, if this link fails, basically it will still communicate from this side, and there's no point of slowing down, because in switch networks basically works with a wide speed. So even if you're going directly from here or as per here, there won't be much difference in the transmission of the packets normally. But again, the fourth option is like for less than a minute. I think they're around 50 seconds. Like that is what STP convergence time. If this link fails, you will not be able to access the server line, and after that the function will resume. And this is what the correct answer, because generally when the link fails, STP will take some time to reconverge, probably the 50 seconds or the 30 seconds depending upon the STP options. And as per this scenario, we can say that the option D is the correct option, because the host B will have a downtime little bit, will not be able to access for some amount of time, for less than a minute, and that's where the normal function works. So this question is based on the STP convergence process. Now if these things happen, what's going means what will be the possible correct answer, or the correct thing generally happen here. So you can simply read the other options and then filter out the wrong answers. That is also one way you can do.